Welcome to SysLog Daily. Today we have Russian intelligence services hacking into messaging accounts, a new way to run vLLM servers, and a strategy for building more secure AI security tools. Stay tuned. Another phishing campaign has been uncovered. This time, Russian intelligence services used fake support texts to steal messaging credentials from government officials, military personnel, politicians, and activists in Ukraine, Europe, and the U.S. The Security Service of Ukraine, together with the U.S. Federal Bureau of Investigation, has been investigating this long-running campaign. The attackers aim to break into messaging accounts, likely to gain access to sensitive information. This is not the first time Russian intelligence has been involved in such activities, and it highlights the ongoing threat of phishing attacks. Users are advised to be cautious when receiving support texts and to verify the authenticity of such messages. Axiom notes that this is a familiar pattern, and it is essential to educate users about the risks of phishing attacks. Hugging Face has introduced a new solution for running vLLM servers. With just one command, users can now deploy a vLLM server on HF jobs. This simplifies the process and makes it more accessible to developers. The use of vLLM servers is becoming increasingly popular, and this new solution is likely to attract more users. Axiom calls this a convenient development, but notes that convenience often comes with security trade-offs. Developers are advised to review the security implications of using this solution, and to ensure that their vLLM servers are properly secured. The math has historically favored the attacker, who only needs to find one bug to exploit. However, with the introduction of AI multipliers, the game is changing. OpenAI's approach to reading intent from the user rather than the prompt is a design pattern worth considering. This involves building identity-gated refusal tiers for AI security tools, which can help to prevent attacks. The problem with traditional guardrails is that they resolve on shape, not intent. This failure mode can be exploited by attackers. Axiom notes that this is a fascinating development, and it will be interesting to see how this approach evolves. Developers are advised to explore this design pattern and to consider its implications for their AI security tools. The EU has open-sourced its 10-year network development planning tools. This move is likely to attract attention from developers and researchers. The tools have been used for network development planning, and their release is expected to contribute to the development of more efficient networks. Axiom calls this a notable development, and it will be interesting to see how these tools are used by the community. Developers are advised to review the tools and to consider their potential applications. That covers today's transmission. If any of these stories affect your systems, links are in the description. Subscribe so you never miss a patch day. See you tomorrow.